What's next for Ethereum? As the dawn of a new era in cryptocurrency unfolds, Ethereum seems to be taking center stage. With 3 consecutive bullish candles in the past 3 weeks, Ethereum has surpassed the $3,000 mark for the first time since April 2022. But what's fueling this remarkable upswing? Several factors come into play, chief among them being the overall market strength following the approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds last month. This development has shifted the gaze of market participants onto Ethereum, sparking anticipation for the crypto asset's own ETF approval. While most experts project the approval to occur before the second half of 2024, renowned lawyer Scott Johnson paints a slightly different picture. Johnson predicts that if the United States Securities and Exchange Commission doesn't grant the spot Ethereum ETF approval in May 2024, they'll likely do so by mid-2025. Johnson's observations are based on a pattern seen with Bitcoin's ETF registration statements. He wrote, SEC simultaneously issued initial comment letters on issuers' BTC spot ETF reg statements on September 29, 2023. We saw amended S1S show up about 2 weeks later, so about 90 days ahead of the January 10th deadline. We're now 90 days out from May 23rd deadline for ETH spot ETFs. Amidst this optimism, experts forecast that Ethereum could rise even higher in the coming months. Renowned macro investor Raoul Pal recently tweeted that the ETH BTC chart is an absolute stunner, primed for the next big move. He shared a mega wedge pattern on the weekly chart, suggesting that a breakout of this pattern could potentially send the price of ETH BTC to 0.2030, a staggering 238% price surge. In summary, Ethereum's recent performance has been impressive, spurred by factors such as the overall market strength and the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. The anticipation for Ethereum's own ETF approval grows, with experts predicting this to happen within the next year or two. Amidst this optimism, experts foresee a significant price surge for Ethereum in the coming months. The future looks bright for Ethereum, and it's a space worth watching as these predictions unfold.